guys, Sweet here. Sorry for the delay of tasting and stuff, but here is a limited feature, the funnel cake fries. I'll show you it soon. Here what they look like. And yeah, we're gonna try one, see how it tastes. They taste good. They have a slight flavor, not much, where it's like, when you first bite, you like taste it a little bit. And then it's like nothing, a little bit slight taste, but not as strong. I give it a 5 out of 10. Because it has no flavor, but if you put like cinnamon or like powdered sugar, maybe it could. But without like a little tasting of it, it doesn't taste good. But I would eat it again. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Sky Sweet. Bye.